All right, everybody, I've got my top 10 kitchen must-haves for fall that will seamlessly fit into all of your upcoming holiday entertaining. I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Factor. Now, before we jump into this Dollar Tree haul, I do want to, of course, thank our sponsor, Factor. I don't know about you guys, but working new crazy schedules, a whole new school year, a whole new normal with everything that's been going on the last couple years. If you're getting back into a routine that maybe just feels a little weird, well, guess what? Factor's got your back. From sticking to your schedule and finding time for fun and exercise, the only thing on your to-do list really should be doing what's best for you. Factor has chef-created, dietitian-approved meals that are delivered right to your door, and they are perfect for every single lifestyle out there. So you can focus on things like getting your groove back, going to Dollar Tree and shopping more, and less about what's for lunch, what's for dinner. Factor even has breakfast now, snacks. Factor literally has you covered. Factor offers meats, seafoods, veggie-based dishes, and preferences that can include keto, calorie smart, and even chef's favorites. What I really like about Factor is that meals come together in minutes. It takes all of the guesswork out of prep and planning and meal planning and thawing things out because you've got delicious meals right at your fingertips. Now, if you want to get started with Factor for up to $130 off across 6 boxes, all you have to do is click this link here or down in the description box. Use code CRAFTYDIY130 and you will save $130 off 6 boxes from Factor. Now, let's get into this video. Now that I've had a yummy meal from Factor, I am going to jump into this Dollar Tree haul, and I'm going to show you some things that are perfect for the kitchen, perfect for fall, upcoming entertaining. We're going to be doing Thanksgiving and Christmas and Hanukkah and all kinds of holidays, and you want to be prepared. And I found about 10 items that I'm super excited about. And the first item that I found was this deviled egg tray. Have you guys ever seen this at Dollar Tree? Because I have not. What's so great about it is you get the 2 pieces, of course, for $1.25. But check that out. I love deviled eggs. I don't love making them so much, but I do love deviled eggs, and this is the perfect vessel to take those in. But I was also thinking that maybe you could use this for your eggs in the refrigerator, just like as an egg holder. Also, what I think is really cool is that it's got this center piece on here. So you could use this for, I don't know if dips really go with deviled eggs. Why not try it? But you could also use this for a lot of different things. And I think it's pretty cool. Now, the next thing that I grab anytime I'm at Dollar Tree are the variety of cutting boards that they have. Because I know for me, whenever I entertain and I have friends over, I am usually doing smaller groups. I usually don't have more than like 6 people total at my house whenever I'm kind of entertaining, because I don't want the stress of a crazy party. I don't want, 35, 40 people in my house. So I look at these little cutting boards like this, and not only are they functional for cutting boards, but they're really great for serving pieces. And this bamboo wood one, as you guys know, I've used this a variety of ways in DIYs, but also for my kitchen. This is such a perfect vessel to serve cheeses and meats. And if you've got just one friend over and you're hanging out, maybe you're watching TV, maybe you're Netflix and chilling, then give them a snack and they can have their own kind of charcuterie board, which is super cute to do with these also. Now, speaking of fun and just kind of serving pieces and especially like charcuterie board stuff, this cutting board is also one of my favorites from Dollar Tree. Now, this is the Cooking Concepts. And again, I've used these in DIYs, but also it makes the cutest little individual serving board for like a charcuterie. I've even used this almost like a TV tray type of vessel and put like a bowl on top of it, put some soup in it, put a sandwich or something in it, and served it like this on the table. And it makes such a cute presentation. And then of course, they're always fun for DIY projects. Now, more kind of chopping mats or cutting mats that are available at Dollar Tree. You all know the clear one. They come in the 2-pack. I really do love these. Again, so much fun for a DIY project. Definitely fun for a DIY project, but I also think that these are really cool for chopping in exactly what they are. Now, what's so great about them is that this is a 2-pack, and whenever you're chopping up your veggies or something, you can then bend this and flex this to pour it into your salad bowl, or if you're making a stew or a soup but you're adding veggies to it, then this is a great thing for that. But now they've also got them in colors, and they have them in the blue. I've also seen these in a darker navy, which I definitely like. I've seen them in red, which could be really fun for like holiday DIYs, and even the clear for some holiday DIYs. I totally love these chopping mats for a lot of different reasons. And then I also love these little glass trivets. Now, I have seen the clear glass ones at Dollar Tree before, but I have not seen these. I love this pattern, especially for the holidays coming up. And I love that it says family is everything. It is the perfect thing to put on your dining room table if you're serving something hot. And then how fun would this be if you paired it up with maybe that wooden cutting board? How cute would that be together for your little private little charcuterie, plate? Like, you could even put your bottle of wine on this with a wine glass as a staging thing. I think that this is so cute, and I love this combination. I love the wood, I love the vino and everything that's on this one. This one is actually my absolute favorite. And then when I was kind of surfing around, I also found this great container. Now, you would think that it was glass when you just looked at it, or like a ceramic, but it's actually plastic. And what's really cool about this is that it says that it is microwave safe. So think about, like, maybe you're going over to a friend's house for a small dinner party, or you're coming to my house because you know we're only going to have 4 people at my house. This is a perfect size to bring that side dish, to bring, that salad or whatever you want to do. The lid is really good on it. It snaps on top of it, which I do like. And it has the little handles on it. So again, perfectly portable. And if you wanted to even gift this container to whomever you're taking this over to, that is so easy to do because it was $1.25. But if you want it back, I respect it because I like my plastic containers. The other thing that I grabbed was this adorable drying mat. Now, I do have a dishwasher. I do use my dishwasher quite often, but there are larger, like, pots and pans and things that I have that don't go in the dishwasher. And hello, this little drying mat that is the perfect fall colors is so cute. Now I'm going to open it up here and show you. OMG, how cute is that? I freaking love this and think that this is so cute and such a fun way to kind of dress up your kitchen and, maybe make doing the dishes a little bit better. Now, speaking of dishes, there are some fun patterns that you can get at Dollar Tree. And of course, you know about the sunflower pattern. Now, I don't personally buy a lot of these pattern dishes because I do have just plain white dishes. So what I will do is whenever there is a fun seasonal pattern like this one out, I will buy just 1 or 2 pieces of it. And then I will use it during a dinner party to create kind of levels or to create height. And if you were to take some E6000 and glue these two together, how cute would that be to put muffins or, crudité or I'm trying to think of some other things, brownie bites, like all kinds of fun stuff. I love making a really eclectic table. And if you take a couple things like this and kind of combine them together, you could put flowers in this. And this would brighten up your table so much. And you could, again, if you've just got a couple people coming over, glue this together, use this for a serving piece, add some flowers in this, maybe add that wood cutting board, and you've got the cutest combination on your table. And I also do like that the bowl inside is white because it doesn't compete with the food, because you want pretty food to be the hero. Now, this is not a plate for pretty, beautiful food if you're wanting to show off your food, but it is a gorgeous Gorgeous plate. This is a pattern I've not seen before. So I don't know if this is brand new for Dollar Tree or not, but I was obsessed when I saw it. How gorgeous is this? Have you seen this pattern before? If you have, let me know in the comments below because I've not seen this pattern. Now, I checked every single stack of dishes to find the matching, salad plates and the matching bowls because this pattern I'm obsessed with. Now, this is probably, because I like fall. This pattern is probably one of those that I would buy the entire set in because it is so rich and it is so gorgeous. Now, the brand on it on the back is Royal Norfolk, and I don't know if that's a Dollar Tree brand or if this is, a clearance item or what, but how beautiful is this pattern? This is so much fun, and I would buy I did buy 4 plates because even if you paired this with something else, and it's such a fun tie-in, even if you just put a white plate on top of it and you have this gorgeous kind of pattern in the background, I'm all about this pattern. So if you see this pattern, get it, because I think this pattern is going to sell out really, really quickly. And then whenever you're cleaning up, people have left, I love the Brillo Basics kitchen towels. These are fantastic. What's so great about them is that they're reusable, but they're also used for a lot of different things. You can use them for cleaning. You can do your dishes with them. You can clean the kitchen. You can clean the stove. You can clean windows. You can do bathroom faucets and fixtures. You can really do a lot with these Brillo Basics these kind of cleaning towels. And again, there's 9, well, not again, because I think I'm just telling you that for the first time, but there's 9 of them in this package and you can reuse them a couple different times. So I think this is a great, great value. And I do think that this is actually better than paper towels too. All right, you guys, that is my haul. Thank you so much for watching. Of course, I want to thank my sponsor today, Factor. Be sure and check that link out in the description box below. You can save $130 off of your first 6 boxes from Factor. Thanks, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.